Alright guys, so I may get out now. My dad is hunting about 400 yards from me or more, and he just shot a doe. So I think we're gonna sneak out of here and go get the dogs. Hopefully it's a good shot. Let them practice, and we'll catch back up with you at the start of the blood trail. Alright, so he shot a doe this morning. We got it on camera. Bullet 6 months. We're about to go give him a little test. And Growl knows what he's doing. You ready to get a dead deer? Dead deer? Alright guys, so like I said, we got the dogs ready. We're going to take them, get a little practice run. The shot looked great. I'm fixing to play a clip of the video right here. There's a shot, 18, 19 yards. Alright, dead deer, dead deer. I already see the blood. Dead deer bullet. Dead deer, dead deer, dead deer, dead deer. Dead deer. Oh, I got poked in the eye. Dead deer, dead deer. Dead deer, dead deer, dead deer. Whoa. Dead deer, dead deer. Finer bullet. Hey, good job. Good job. She's over here. Good boy. Watch that broadhead. Let Growl go. Good boy. All right, come on. Let's get her out of there. Let's get her out of there. Good boy. Right here, Growl. You passed her up too. Huh? They found her. They're still in it? Yeah. There's Growl going at it. Dang, I poked my eye good on one of them branches.
She was the biggest one.
Here. Stand back there and I'll pull her out. You can see what. Here, you can, it's gonna.
Just hold it.
Yeah.
Come here, Growl. Come here, Growl. Good bullet.
Good
Come here,
boy.
Growl.
Good boy. Good boy. Let me get her. Good boy. Come on, bullet.
It'd be easy to put her on the road, boo.
Yeah. Watch the broadhead, bullet. Oh yeah, that's a perfect shot.
I thought it was low.
No, that's.
So try to pull it, boo. Try to pull it.
All right. Bullet, come here, bullet.